viewers, welcome to my channel of Java News. Today I will be discussing three important things in Java, that is how to download Java and how to install Java and how to set path for Java. Okay, these are the three important things I'll be showing you. So for the first step, that is to download Java, you'll have to go to google.com. So just go to google.com and type in Oracle JDK download. Alright, just type in this and you just click on the first option, that is Java SE download Oracle. Okay, so right click and open this in a new tab if you want to, or you can just click it right here. So once you click on this, then here you'd actually get this particular page here. Now at the bottom, just scroll down a little bit and here you'll have this button, JDK download. So just click on JDK download button and this will further take you to another page where you can actually download the development kit. Okay, now here are a list of operating systems from which you can choose whichever operating system is yours, and as of now I'm using Windows 7 and it's a 64-bit operating system. So I will be downloading this particular file, that is a 64 x64.exe. Okay, so if you're having a 32-bit operating system, then you should have to download this, that is i586.exe. And before downloading it, you'll have to accept the license terms. Alright, and go ahead and click on the option whichever suits you the best. So in my case I will be clicking on this particular link here, and the download should start. Yeah, there we go, the download has started. Alright, so let the download complete, and it's about 125 MB, so that will just take a while. So let the download complete, and in my case since this is a tutorial, I won't be downloading it completely because I've already downloaded it. Okay, so after downloading you should find a file in your download folder like this. Okay, the JDK 7 Windows x64 or into 64. Now that's about it. You've successfully downloaded the JDK software. Now the next step, that is the second step, is to install this on your operating system. So just double click on this and click on next and click on next, but before clicking on next, just make sure that the installation path is right, and I would like to choose the default path, that is C program files Java JDK 1.7. whatever, and I would choose the default path. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and change the path. Okay, so since I'm not changing anything here, I'll just click on next, and there we go, the installation has started. So this will just take a while for the installation to complete. And in the meanwhile, to know which kind of operating system you're having, go to Start menu, right click on My Computers, go to Properties, and here you can see that System Type. Yeah, in System Type you're having you'll be having a 64-bit operating system or a 32-bit operating system. Okay, so that's one of the ways to check which operating system you're having. Now you will be prompted with the JRE installation as well. So go ahead and click next. Okay, if you want to change the path, please do so. but in my case I'm just leaving it as default, so I'll just leave it the way it is and click on next. So the JRE will also be installed on my system. So I'll be having a Java folder in my program files, and in the Java folder I'll be having both my JDK and my JRE. JDK is nothing but the Java development kit, and JRE is the Java runtime environment. You need pretty much both. Alright, so once you're done with the installation, just click on finish, and this might take you to a page to register the product. Please go ahead and register the product if you want to, but here I'm not going to register the product. So once the installation is done, in the start menu type in CMD and hit enter, and type in Java hyphen version. Okay, and there we go. We have successfully installed Java on our machine, and here right here you're having the version 1.7.0. It could be anything, but 1.7 is the standard version. Okay, so it's a 64-bit software which we have installed. Yeah, hooray, there we go. We have installed the JDK successfully. So the next step is to set path. Alright, there are two ways in which you can set path for Java. Okay, now firstly, to check if the path is set or not, you'll have to go to CMD, type in CMD in your start menu, and type in JAVAC, JAVAC. Okay, and you can notice that this command is not recognized as an internal or an external command. Okay, so the moment you get this particular error, it shows that the path is not set. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to go to your computer, that is my computer, and go into C drive, program files, Java and JDK, and in the JDK folder you'll have to go inside bin. Okay, now just copy this whole path here. Okay, just copy this path and go back to your CMD. Now type in SET, okay, set space PATH is equal to, and paste the path which you have selected. Okay, the moment you do, the moment you press enter, that's about it. The path is set if it doesn't show any kind of error. Okay, now to check if the path is set or not, you will have to type in javac, and here we go. You get these list of commands here. If you get these list of commands, the path has been set. Okay, now the reason why we call this as a temporary path is because the moment we close the CMD, okay, now when I try reopening the CMD, and when I try the javac command, it still says that it is not recognized as an internal or an external command. Okay, so the path is not set. Now you would use the temporary path to set the path only for a particular instance of time. Okay, so the moment you close it, that's about it. The path is it doesn't exist anymore. So this was the first way of setting the path, and the second way is to set a permanent path. Okay, so go to start menu, my computer, right click, go to properties, and go to advanced system settings here, and click on environment variables, and here you can see the user variable tab. Alright, now in this you'll have to click on new and type in path, PATH, alright, all in capital letters, and go to the folder where your JDK has been installed, and inside inside of bin and just copy this whole path here and paste it right here and click on OK and click on OK and OK. There we go, the path has been set. Now to check if the path has been set correctly or not, you'll have to type in javac and there we go. You get these list of commands, so the path has been set successfully. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. In this tutorial I've shown you how to download and install Java JDK, and I've shown you the two ways how to set path in Windows 7, and I've shown you how to set a temporary path and a permanent path. We are at the end of this tutorial here. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this tutorial was very useful to you. So please stay tuned. I will be making a lot of useful videos in future. So please rate and subscribe. Okay. Now thank you once again for watching. Signing off. This is Sharath from Java Noobs. Thank you.